I need some coffee. All right, got a little coffee. Gotta have coffee. All right, so my appointment is not until 9 o'clock over there at Corbin, so that gives me time to look at some comments on YouTube and see what folks had to say about my last video. If you didn't see that one, I'll put a link to it up here. It was talking about my 4,000 mile review of my Honda Goldwing. So go check that out. And then we're gonna go see Corbin here in a little bit and get my new custom seat made for my 2018 Honda Goldwing. Okay, I'm there. Take it up, check it up. There it is. There it is. Corbin. Aren't we excited? All right, let me go talk to these people and we'll continue the tour. Okay, so here I am, JP 1970 back. This is Corbin. This is the service area where they do the same day service. We'll just see so I can walk around and take a little look, show you around. Here are the master craftsmen at work. And then over here we've got the upholstery shop. Go over and take a look in the showroom. Here's the Wizards Cafe. Look at all these bikes with Corbin's, I guess they're Corbin. Look at that attention to detail. Corbin seat right there. So a nice thing about bringing it in for the ride-in service is you get a custom job. Look at that. So there's the Smuggler, right? Matches. They have to do that beforehand. And then here's the actual Corbin seat. And then you get on site here, and then they tweak it and get it molded and get it dialed in to fit just right. I think that's going to look really good. We're getting there. Okay, so there it is. And they're going to work on it. They told me to be back in about 3 hours. So I'm gonna go run around a little bit, maybe get something to eat, and come back and see my bike in about 3 hours after the upholstery's done. See this place right here? If you come here and you get a seat done, come stay at the Fairfield by Marriott. They were so nice. So my seat, obviously it takes a while to do the seat, right? So it's like, I don't know, 1 o'clock, and they let me extend the checkout. So I could chill out and relax a little bit while they're finishing my seat. And now it's time to go pick up the seat, or the bike with the seat. All right, let's go get that bike. Look how big this place is. My gosh. All right, now I'm going around and they deliver them. They've got local, they got a local truck, they've got UPS. Man, they are doing some business here at Corbin. Look at this place. It's bigger than a Costco. Look at this. Corbin. Over here at Corbin, I just got the bike loaded up. I figured I'd spare you all that, but here it is. There is, here, let me get out of the way here. Here is my new Corbin seat. So there, oh, it's so dang comfortable. And then got this little cargo area, okay? Put the receipt and t-shirt they gave me. So we're all strapped in. Oh yeah, this thing ain't going anywhere. There is my new Corbin seat. Thanks for checking out this video, everybody. This is JP1970, and now it's time to get home.